Hi guys, my name is Jamin. This is my channel PC Monkey, where I bring you a wide variety of do-it-yourself computer upgrade and repair videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access or replace your solid-state drive in a Lenovo Yoga 9 series laptop computer. Before we begin guys, two quick things. First, please remember to like, share, subscribe if this video was helpful. If you have a question, check the FAQs below in the description first. It could save you some time getting an answer. If you do have to leave me a question or comment, I do try to get to those at least a couple times a day. The exact model of the laptop I'm using is a 14i TL5, but it should apply to any Yoga 9 series computer. Alright, so I've got my Lenovo Yoga flipped over. It's off, it's unplugged. It's sitting on an anti-static pad. Either a pad or an anti-static bracelet will go a long way to limiting the chances of you damaging things in a computer when you open it up. I also have my small flat metal pry tool and a small hex driver. If you guys need any help finding equipment for your repair, check out the link above. It'll be a link to my Amazon store where I keep a lot of stuff that I use in my shop to give you guys an idea of what you may need. So I see some screws here and 4 on the bottom. I'm going to take those out now with my hex driver, and I think that's all I need to do to get this bottom panel off. We'll see. You guys will notice that the 2 screws on top were way longer than these little screws in the bottom. So keep that in mind when you go to put this thing back together. Alright, those are all my screws. I'm going to take my small pry tool now, go along the bottom, and very carefully see if I can pop this panel off. Don't put the pry tool in too far. You don't want to damage components. Just go around and put as little bit of it in as you can. Okay, I'm just going to double check inside now, make sure there's no ribbons or anything that I need to not break. Okay, it looks like I'm all set. So I'm just going to pop this panel off. There we go. So yeah, those screws are all you need to do to take that bottom panel off. And here's the inside. It actually looks like a typical Yoga. There's your battery down there. It's held in by 2 screws there, a screw there, and maybe a screw there. And then it plugs into your motherboard here. Here are your speakers. Here's your motherboard, your heatsink assembly with your fans. And there's your solid state drive. As you can see, there's no RAM. It's integrated into your motherboard with these computers, so you cannot take your RAM out easily. Make a note, there's a Lenovo sticker there on top of a motherboard screw. That's so they know if you've gotten at it. So just like we turned the computer off and unplugged it, the name of the game with protecting your equipment is making sure there's no power in it. So the first thing we're going to do is take out your battery. We're going to unscrew it and then unplug it from the motherboard. I'm going to unscrew these 4 screws and see if the battery comes up. Again, keep these screws separate from your other screws. Most components, battery, motherboard, bottom case, all the screws are different sizes. So keep these screws separate and know what they go to. Also, as a little hint, you can see on the battery there are these white arrows or triangles. They point to the screws. So just to make sure, yep, it comes up. Now to take it out of the battery port, I'll zoom in a little bit. So it looks like a black plug at the end of these wires plugs into this metal port on the motherboard. So I'm going to take a plastic pry tool now, not a metal one, and I'm going to gently pull back on the battery and gently pry forward the black plug as I'm pulling. So there you go. So that's how the battery comes out. Access a solid state drive, it's right there. It's got 1 screw in it. I'm going to unscrew that. And then it pops up and just pulls out of the port, like that. So to access your motherboard, you'd want to first remove your heatsink assembly. That's these 2 fans and the connection. So you can see the screws on those. You would take out your heatsink assembly. And then to access your motherboard, if you see on the corners of where the screws are, there's little white triangles or arrows. Those are motherboard screws. So you can follow all those along. There's a white triangle there, white triangle there. It shows you which screws you need to access your motherboard. So to put these things back in, we're going to slide, there's a long port and a short port. Slide that back in. Nice and secure, nice and level. push it down, and then we'll replace that screw. We'll bring the battery back over. We'll line up that plug and use 2 fingernails on either side, push that back in. And then we'll set our battery in there. And then we'll put back in our battery screws. And we'll bring back over the bottom case. That top part was last. And then just push down on the edges. Alright. Visually, it's all smooth. Nothing's poking out. So now we're going to put back in the 4 small screws that went out front. And there you go. That's how you would access the solid state drive in a Lenovo Yoga 9 laptop computer. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.